To turn on or off amplify ambient sound by using volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap amplify ambient sound and then tap amplify ambient sound shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on, and then select press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Next, you can easily enable or disable amplify ambient sound by pressing and holding volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select amplify ambient sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.